Come test drive the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.